Okay, so here it is. I am going to make that bread that you're supposed to be able to make with ice cream and self-rising flour. I didn't have self-rising flour, and I don't have a way to go get any. I thought I did. Um, I have all-purpose flour, so I'm going to use some baking soda and lime to create a self-rising um, ingredient to the flour that I have. So we'll see how it works. And it better work good because I'm using sea salt caramel ice cream, and I was mad when I realized how much of it I had to use out of my container because I wanted to eat it. At any rate, it better be good. And I did get, a serving of ice cream, but it's all gone now, so I hope it's good. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have everything mixed together. It's sticky like it said. I'm about to put it in there and see what happens. I hope this works. If it don't, then I'll just have to get the right flour. But I did what ChatGPT said. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'm about to pop it in the oven. I hope that it rises. I put in the baking soda, the salt, and the juice. I think I put the salt in. I'm looking at the salt. I don't even remember. I tell you. I don't remember. I pray I put the salt in there. I don't remember. I know I'm looking at the salt. Yeah, I must have put the salt in there. At any rate, I'm gonna be like that lady on Booty Call. Let me see you rise now. Let me see you rise. So while my bread is struggling to rise in the oven, I am going to frost this cake. I let it cool off. I put it in the freezer actually, and it's cool. And then I just put this butter over it. And I like how it looks like, letters and stuff. Don't it? Like art. Yeah, I see a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Look at that. Look like a gingerbread cake, but no. It's buttercream again, and this is just butter. Okay, and here is my buttercream cake. It looks better in person. It does. But either way, it is gonna be yummy. And good news, the cake, I mean not the cake, but the bread is rising. The bread is rising. So everything going good. Okay, so this is the end result. Like I said, I had the salted caramel. So these are the chocolate chunks that are in that. And we shall see how it tastes. I'm going to put a little butter on top. And I'll be back with my review. Let's see how it do. Put the butter on top. Okay, so I had a piece. It is okay. That is chocolate. I'll put a little buttercream glaze on top. It's okay. I won't say it's my favorite, but the cake is good. This is okay. I'm going to try it again with self-rising flour and see if that makes a difference. Like I said, it's not bad. That's chocolate. I don't know. I don't feel like it is as good as the video I saw on it. But, it's bread nonetheless.